Hello guys, welcome back to MJ Crypto, and right in today's video we're going to be talking about trend patterns. Okay, remember I told you that technical analysis begins with support and resistance, and then we have candlestick combinations, and also we have trend patterns. Trend patterns are combinations of different candlesticks telling you, or rather showing you, the movement of what price action. All right, so we'll be talking about that right in this video. Do well to stick to the end so you don't miss any juicy part of this video. Now, we have basically two types of trend patterns. We have the reversal patterns and, of course, the continuation patterns. Now, the reversal patterns are most likely going to show you when a trend is about to end and reverse to the opposite direction. In other words, if you are in an uptrend, the reversal pattern will actually show you that the trend is about to end and the market is about to reverse towards the opposite direction. But the continuation pattern is most likely going to show you that the trend is going to continue in the same direction of which it was moving on before. All right, so right about now I'm just going to start off with the reversal pattern. So the very first one we want to talk about is what we call the double top.
A simple explanation of the double top is simply telling you that the price is moving on an uptrend and making a pullback and then trying to make a higher high on the same uptrend but could not. So that is a simple explanation of what a double top is. We are right on an uptrend, pullback, and then an attempt to make a higher high. In other words, beat the previous support, or rather previous resistance, but could not. That is just a simple explanation of what the double top is. So you can see there's a rejection at 2 points, here and here. All right, good. So I'm going to show you a live demonstration right now on the Binance chart so you see clearly for yourself what a double top looks like. Good. Now you can actually see right here on GMT BUSD, this is a beautiful pair, and we have a double top right here. You can see the price moved from this point up to this point, an uptrend, right? And then it made a pullback right here and attempted to break the previous resistance, okay, but could not. And then it formed a rejection here. So this rejection and this resistance is what we call a double top. Now, if you check closely, after this rejection here, the price started making lower lows and then rejecting the price towards the downside. All right, basically, this is what a double top is. So guys, the next we want to talk about is what we call the double bottom. This is also called a reversal pattern because it actually shows you the end of a trend. I mean, a downtrend. And then when you see this, just have it at the back of your mind that the price is about to flip up to the upside. All right, good. So you can see the neckline here. All right, you can see the neckline and you can see the downtrend. It made a first rejection, which is a bounce, a hammer at the first bottom, went up to touch the neckline, came back again to touch the second bottom. That's why it's called the double bottom. And then breaking out of this neckline, which is the resistance. So you can see it's actually the opposite of what a double top. All right, so now let's check out a live demonstration so you get the memo.
So guys, you can see right here on the chart, this is actually a double bottom, okay, because the price bounced from this point, made a pullback towards the upside, and then came back again. It didn't go lower than this 0.3617, okay. This is a support zone. It didn't go below this support zone. All right, so automatically we have a double top. Now if the price actually breaks out, it's more what confirmed that is what a double top. So when you are trading this, you actually wait for the breakout above the neckline. All right, above this neckline here. Watch my mouse, above this neckline. Wait for a breakout towards this side. Watch my mouse, towards this direction, and then you are good to go. So the next on the list is actually the head and shoulder pattern. This is still a reversal pattern, moving from the upside down to the downside. All right, good. Now, how does this actually work? You can see here we have an uptrend and the price moves, forms a shoulder, goes back to the neckline, forms a head, retraces back to the word neckline and forms another shoulder. And then boom, at this particular point here, watch my mouse, at this particular point, it breaks below the neckline and then the pattern is fully formed. Now, let me tell you something, guys. The market, the crypto market entirely actually trends 80% of the time and consolidates just 20%. In other words, we are actually ranging just about 20% of the time. All right, good. Now, it is within those 20%, sorry, that every trend pattern is formed. Every trend pattern is formed when there's what? A consolidation. If the market is trending, you just have a direct chain. All right, let me call it a chain. You just have a direct trend, pullback, retracement like that. But when the market is ranging within that 20%, different kinds of patterns are being formed. All right, so I'm going to show you a live demonstration on the chart. So guys, this is actually BTC BUSD pair, and you can see the actual meaning of what I've been saying right on the word chart. You can see the head and shoulders from this particular point here. This is the head. All right, this is the neckline, this point to this point, this is the shoulder, and this is the shoulder. Mind you, it must not be a perfect picture. All right, if you look for a perfect picture when you are trading, you may miss out on so many opportunities. All right, so basically this is what you need to do to understand what the head and shoulders is. It's actually a reversal pattern. All right, so if the neckline is broken downwards, you just take a short position and calculate your take profit from the distance between the head to the neckline, and then you should be good. So basically, this is actually the inverse head and shoulders. Okay, you can see we started with a downtrend from this particular point and then hit the shoulder right here, and then back to the neckline again, and then coming down to form a head, and then back to the headline, to the neckline again, and then forming another shoulder, and then back to the neckline. Now, at this particular point right here, if we do have a breakout, it's definitely going towards the upside. All right, basically. So it's that simple. This is what the head and shoulders inverse is telling you. In other words, it's breaking towards the upside, showing you a change in what the current trend, which is a downtrend. So guys, we've come to the end of this session. I'm not going to show you the inverse head and shoulders. I'm going to leave that to you as an assignment. And when you eventually figure that out on the chart, I want you to come back to the comment section and then type, I found it. All right. Or just simply type inverse head and shoulders. All right, that will actually make me feel so good because you have gained value from this brief session. Okay, the part 2 is going to be coming up. I'll be talking about the continuation patterns. All right, cheers guys, big thumbs up to each and every one of you. I love you all so much. Keep yourself glued to MJ Crypto. All right, we're out here to give you lots and lots and lots of value information on how to scale up your portfolio when trading. Cheers, peace out.